The overall goal of this work is to visually demonstrate the production techniques of biopolymer aerogels using amidated pectin as a model biopolymer and water, ethanol, and carbon dioxide as solvents.
Biopolymer aerogel production is a three-step process which utilizes water for the gel formation, ethanol to replace the water, and supercritical CO2 to remove the ethanol.
Carbon dioxide has a huge impact on this process as it is a quintessential component in aerogel production.
Our investigations of how carbon dioxide transforms biopolymeric solution into aerogel has led us to the understanding that CO2 can not only gel biopolymeric solution but also can help to produce aerogel in one step, one pot approach. And we are going to discuss it in this video.
This section demonstrates how amidated pectin and calcium carbonate dispersion is made in water. However, the procedure can be adapted to making many other solution mixtures. Homogenize a 2% pectin in water solution at high speed for 2 minutes to make a viscous solution. Then, check the pH. If it is lower than 6.5, titrate with 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide to neutralize the solution. Next, weigh out and mix in the calcium carbonate.
It is not necessary to adhere to this degree of cross-linking. However, too much cross-linker can lead to reprecipitation and negatively affect the surface area of aerogels.
Finally, homogenize the mixture at high speed again until a white homogeneous dispersion is obtained.